So today we have a very exciting giveaway where I'm going to be giving away over $300 in prizes from Amazon, and this is all thanks to Creative Fabrica. They are running this giveaway in collaboration with me here for you guys because you are so amazing. And so today we're going to go over all of the rules and ways that you can participate in this giveaway. And I'm also going to hop over to Creative Fabrica and show you their entire section where you can actually use free graphics and fonts without paying for anything. So if you're excited about that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So for this giveaway, we are going to be doing Amazon gift cards. And I did originally pick out some prizes for you guys, but I did a little survey in the group, and I think you guys would rather pick out your own products. So we're gonna do one gift card at $100, 2 gift cards at $50, and 4 gift cards at $25. So you can pick anything you want from Amazon, and we're going to have a total of 7 winners. Now, before I tell you the rules, I want to make sure that you guys stay safe because I have seen other giveaways on YouTube go very wrong. And so please just know up front that no one is going to charge you any kind of shipping fees. There is nothing that you should be paying for this giveaway. No one is going to ask you to reach out on WhatsApp. No one is going to message you or comment to you. We're going to be announcing this via YouTube, and you are going to be reaching out to me so that you can get your gift card. Once again, this is going to be no cost to you. So if anyone reaches out to you and asks for shipping costs or anything weird, do not do it. That's not how this giveaway is going to work. So how can you enter to win? Number 1, you're going to create something with Creative Fabrica elements, and then you're going to show the finished product on social media, and you're going to tag Creative Fabrica and myself on Facebook or Instagram. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video, but that is literally all you have to do. Once I get the tag notification, I'm going to put your name in a hat. And from there, I'm going to choose 7 random winners. So it's very, very simple. And then you can also comment on this video and let me know that you are participating. So the deadline to enter the contest is April 15th, and I will be announcing the winners on April 17th. And then from there, I highly recommend to join my Facebook group, which is going to be linked down below, and reach out to me there, and we will get you all set up with your gift card. All right, so linked down below in the description is this free sign-up page for Creative Fabrica where you can sign up at no cost and test out the platform. I am, in addition to that, going to show you in today's video a section on Creative Fabrica that is always free. The basis of this is that you get all of the designs that you're ever going to need for your print-on-demand business. So if you hop on here and decide that you love it and see tons of value in it, then I highly recommend doing the yearly plan. It is totally worth it for the amount of graphics and fonts that you will have access to. Once you are logged in and inside, you can see all of these different tabs here with fonts, graphics. They have their AI tools, crafts, and there's this freebies section over here. So they have free fonts, free SVGs, free graphics, etc. And so let's go ahead and click on the free fonts. These free fonts are for commercial use, and we can just scroll through and take a look at some of the different types of fonts that are available to you. And I'm just going to click on this first one here. This is this really nice script font. It says commercial usage allowed. You can download it there. If you want to read more about their licensing, you can read this right here. You can scroll down and see what this script looks like. In a lot of these photos, it's styled in different colors. When you use it right out of the zip file, this is what it's going to look like right here. Next, we can take a look at the freebie graphics. As we see here, it says free design resources. always including our commercial license. Here's a set of cute stickers. We have some monogram stuff, watercolor florals. We have a Christian SVG bundle, some gnome printables. Here's some really cute coffee stickers. And of course, you can always come up here and type in anything that you would like to see if you have something in particular in mind, and it can pull from their entire graphics library. Now, wildflowers has been trending on Etsy for a very long time, so I am going to download this wildflowers graphic here and to create a design for you. And so for today's giveaway, you're going to want to come in here, find your favorite product or graphic, and make something with it so that you can actually enter this giveaway. Okay, so now I am over in Canva, and I am going to upload the commercially licensed font that I got from Creative Fabrica. So we are right here under the text box, and up here you can see font, edit, and you click on edit, you can add new. So you're going to click this to upload that font that you just downloaded. You can go ahead and add new here. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own or have the rights to use it for my intended purposes. And yes, Creative Fabrica gives us that commercial license, so yes, upload. So now we can put some text on our template here. And we can use the text drop-down menu and find the one we added. Okay, so here is the one we added. I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, it changed it there. So this is Lightning script, and I'm just going to do a very, very simple text-based design. If you guys watched my What's Trending on Etsy videos, then you'll see that I pulled up this one for social workers. This is a low competition keyword right now. And so I'm just going to go ahead and make this a bit bigger. And then all we do from here is click share, download, and then we're going to download this with a transparent background as a PNG, and make sure that we just select the current page right here. Done, download. Now we're going to go ahead and put this on a mock-up and see what it looks like, and this is just super simple. And yes, simple text-based designs do sell. So here we go. Of course, with your mock-ups, you always want to lower the transparency just a little bit so it looks more incorporated with the shirt and how it would look when a customer receives it, instead of just looking like the text is just setting on top of an image. Now let's go ahead and do one with a bit of a graphic. Now we downloaded this Raising Wildflowers design from Creative Fabrica. I'm just going to go ahead and crop off the words so we can make this uniquely our own. And then just to change it even more, I'm going to go ahead and flip this and reverse how the flowers are. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some text, shrink it down, and of course use that lovely font that we just downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and make sure that this is all fully centered and exactly how we want it. So now we have these two elements together as our own unique design that we have the commercial license to these elements. And as always, make sure you read all of the terms of service for each site that you are using. We're going to download this with a transparent background and take a look at it on a mock-up. So we have our mock-up from Etsy here, and we're just going to go ahead and paste this on there. And of course, go ahead and lower the transparency just a bit. And then we are good to go with our t-shirt design. So once you have your craft product here that you have created using your favorite products from Creative Fabrica, we're going to go ahead and download this and share it on Facebook. This is my Facebook page over here, and it is official Anji Long. To enter the giveaway, you're going to want to upload a photo of what you made. And then you can type something like, check out what I made using Creative Fabrica. And so this is them right here with the CF and their profile photo, and they have 184,000 likes. And then you want to say, thanks for the recommendation, Anji Long. And so I have 10,000 followers over here, and I have a yellow profile photo. So make sure that we are both tagged here, and then I will get the notification and you will be entered into the giveaway to win one of those 7 gift cards to Amazon. You can also do this on Instagram as well. So this is my Instagram at Anji Long Official, and I really don't post on here that much, but you can tag me over here as well if you are not on Facebook. And this is Creative Fabrica's Instagram page, so make sure that we are both tagged. So once again, you have until April 15th to enter this giveaway, and I will be announcing the winners on April 17th. All right, guys, so I am super excited to see who is going to win these prizes. And if you scooped up any freebies from Creative Fabrica, definitely let us know down below. I'm going to link for you on the screen here my full Etsy playlist so you know how to utilize Creative Fabrica along with print on demand and selling things on Etsy to make lots and lots of profits. So be sure to subscribe and tune into that full playlist so you can know how to maximize your earnings online. Make it an amazing day, and I will see you back soon with the winners.